Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Verizon plan includes mobile hotspot and checking how much data you have left. This avoids surprise throttling. Once done, power on the hotspot device or enable mobile hotspot in settings on your phone and make sure battery is above 50% to prevent shutdown mid-setup. Next, find the default SSID and password printed on the device label or shown in the Verizon app. Write them down so you can quickly connect your laptop or tablet without fumbling through menus. Now, on the hotspot or in the app, set security to WPA2 or WPA3 and create a strong password. This prevents neighbors from leaching data and keeps connections private. Then change the SSID to a recognizable but non-identifying name so you can pick it out in crowded areas. After that, connect your devices. Select the SSID, enter the password, and open a browser to confirm connectivity. If speeds vary, make sure the hotspot has clear line of sight to sky and is not in low-signal pockets of your home. To finish, optimize settings. Enable data saver on connected devices, limit background sync, and set a device cap so one user doesn't consume the pool. Make sure automatic firmware updates are on. They improve stability and security. If you run into trouble, reboot the hotspot, toggle your phone's airplane mode, or forget and rejoin the network to refresh credentials. And if problems persist, check the Verizon app for outages or apply a firmware update. This single check resolves many connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.